How to allow camera and microphone access on your Instagram in the laptop. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can allow camera and microphone access on your Instagram using your laptop. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your browser. Once you're here in the search bar, you need to type instagram.com. Then you need to simply go ahead and log into your Instagram app. Now that you are here, you need to simply go ahead and click on the site informations right next to the Instagram.com. Simply go ahead and click on that, and from here you need to click on site settings. Now that you're in the site settings, you can go ahead and give permissions to different options over here. But we need only camera and microphone. So you can see an arrow pointing downward right next to camera. Simply go ahead and click on that. And from here, you need to click on allow. Then you can do the same for the microphone. Simply click on the arrow pointing downward over here. And from here, click on allow. And that's it. You have successfully given permissions to microphone and camera for your Instagram on your laptop and PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.